So here it is, guys. This is gonna be the very first one. This. This is the windbreaker. That's what they call it. It's got 3 little holders up here. Those little 3 rubber bushes, I would say, and you have to kind of work them in. I already done that, so you just kind of push on one side, it's gonna go in, and then it's literally taken apart. This piece of plastic in front of your screen. There's 2 screws up here and then 1 underneath, and that's gonna be for the bottom one here, which is the longest. So you literally have to open this to find the 3rd holder. So you need to do it with, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a Torx number 30.
What do? It unscrew the 2 on top. Very simple to do. Nothing major. Once you take this plastic off.
Voila, there's a 3rd one. So now you can take these, put them in the correct places, which are
the big one on the bottom, just like so. That one goes into the bottom part. Then there are 2 short ones, 1 on each. Here. Just tie them up as much as you can. Doesn't need to be any crazy tighten,
as long as it's not coming off. Now we use 3 bolts and screw on top. There you go.
Super easy. Again, if you use number 30 Torx, it makes everything easier. So we got 1, we got 2, we got 3. Just tuck them in. Okay, not going nowhere.
Just one thing, guys, don't use too much pressure on these bolts. They do like to crack the screen. So if you push too much, if you tighten it up too much, it's gonna create a crack. And